great day today at the Olana here in Texas. Going to shoot a really cool episodic series called Intersections. We have the whole crew, everybody's running lean and mean. It's going to be a really fun shoot. The venue is absolutely gorgeous. So hopefully the weather holds up. It's been raining sporadically, but that's nothing we can't handle. Definitely are looking forward to the day.
Intersections brings local Dallas fingerprints together, surrounded by amazing cars and amazing venues to talk about what's important in their lives through elevated conversations. I'm super excited to be here. We're featuring today a Mercedes-Benz 2021 AMG GT vehicle and a 2021 Maserati Quattroporte.
Compelling content.
So we're about to move into our first indoor scene. We just wrapped up the opening shots. The girls are gonna walk through the room. We're gonna dolly around and get them different talking points. We got a little path for them laid out on the floor so they know where their marks are. And Russell here is going to be man in the dolly and kind of mimicking him, and we're gonna get some pretty cool indoor shots to kick it off. Shooting on, I believe this is the Red Dragon 5K 40mm Atlas Orion anamorphic lenses, and I'm gonna pull focus with my hand.
He actually does not know what he's talking about.
No, this is actually not an anamorphic lens. I have no clue what we're doing. This is my first shoot.
We just finished up a pretty cool shot of them walking down this hallway, starting to talk about Avondale, their life, and Jenna and Christa are just doing amazing. They're knocking out their lines. They're just awesome. The crew is crushing it. Super happy right now with how the shoot's going. So we'll try to finish up strong here on the last scene, sit them down for an interview, and really get into the meat and potatoes of their backstories beyond the bio of Jenna and Christa. So,
is Andy playing director? He's actually the grip truck driver?
I am the grip truck driver.
So this is an extraordinary day. We're excited to be able to not only provide you this content, but to be able to give the audience an ability to see our talent in a different way. And when we look back at our 35-year history, we see that we stand for something that is not only extraordinary in terms of our ability to service our clients, but the way that we develop our relationships and provide what really are elevated experiences.
Andy does it all.
Nope, he's